If you're watching this, you're probably making the same mistake that keeps 73% of professionals stuck in the same role for years. I made this same mistake myself for 3 years straight, costing me over $45,000 in lost salary. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what this mistake is, why it's so common, and how you can start to fix it, starting this week. Alright, let's get straight into it. The mistake is waiting for your boss to notice your good work, instead of actively managing your visibility and career progression. Most people think that if they just work hard, deliver results, and keep their head down, promotions and raises will just naturally happen. That is completely wrong. Here's why. Your boss is juggling 8 to 12 direct reports. They're attending endless meetings and they're dealing with their own target on top of that. They're not sitting there thinking about your next raise or promotion. They're just trying to survive their own workload. We fall into this trap because from school age, we're taught that if you do good work, you get rewarded automatically. Gold stars, good grades, pats on the back. But the corporate world isn't school. There are no gold stars. Your achievements are invisible unless you make them visible. The cost of this mistake is huge. According to recent data, professionals who actively manage their visibility get promoted 40% faster and earn 23% more than those who don't. That's the difference between earning $70,000 and $86,000 over the same period just by making your results known. So, how do you fix it? Here are 3 tactics that take less than 30 minutes each week. Number 1, the weekly wins email. Every Friday, send your boss an email with 3 things you accomplished that week and what impact they have on the business. Not just tasks, but results. For example, don't say, attended 5 client meetings. Say, secured 3 new contracts worth $150,000 in revenue. Number 2, the strategic update. Once a month, schedule a 15-minute meeting with your boss to discuss your progress on key projects and ask for feedback. This keeps you on top of their mind, but it also shows you're proactive about your growth. Number 3, peer visibility. Share your wins in team meetings and collaborate visibly on high-impact projects. When your colleagues know what you're achieving, that word spreads upwards. Trust me, managers talk. Let me give you an example. I started sending weekly wins emails in March. By June, my boss mentioned in my review that she was impressed with my consistency and clear communication. By September, I was having a promotion conversation. And by December, I landed a 28% salary increase and a new title. The key is consistency and focusing on business impact, not just activity. Here's your action step. Write down 3 wins from the past month and the impact they had on your team or business. Then, send your first weekly wins email this Friday. Don't wait for someone to notice you. Make your achievements impossible to ignore. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more shortcuts on how to achieve your next raise or your next role. Remember, your career won't manage itself, and no one will manage it for you. Take control of your visibility and watch how quickly things change. See you in the next video.